Hello and thanks for joining us. Today we're talking through our light vibrating plate, sometimes referred to in the trade as a Wacker plate. This lightweight yet powerful machine is perfect for maintenance or repair work when compacting hardcore sand or gravel. It has a low hand-arm vibration design for longer and safe usage times. This vibrating plate is easy to manoeuvre and control. The base plate does not dig in when dragged or turned. The entire unit weighs just 59 kilograms, and thanks to this collapsible handle, it's easy to store and transport in the back of a van or truck. It has lifting points to allow easier unloading and loading with 2 people. With a 3 horsepower, 4-stroke petrol engine, this vibrating plate is suitable for jobs of all sizes and will cover 20 meters per minute. If you are looking for something a bit heavier and more powerful, or you would prefer an electric motor, head to hss.com to browse our range. To set the vibrating plate up, place the machine on firm level ground and check the oil and fuel levels. Next, extend the handle out to the working position and prepare to start the engine. The plates are fitted with an automatic clutch, so there should not be any vibrating action when the engine is left idle. To turn the engine switch on, open the fuel tap and apply the choke to start. You'll want the choke fully open if starting from cold and halfway if starting from warm. Position the throttle so that it is halfway open, and the engine should start with a few quick pulls of the cord. If the plate begins to vibrate and wander, then reduce the amount of throttle. Finally, to use a vibrating plate, you'll need to fully open the throttle and control the unit using the handle. You'll then be operating with a compaction force of 11 kilonewtons. It would be best if you worked in straight lines, working from left to right and then top to bottom, overlapping as you go. If divots and dips appear, then refill and compact the affected area. When you are finished using the machine, shut off the throttle, turn the engine switch off, close the fuel tap and the choke. Let the machine fully cool down before attempting to move it. Before you use this equipment, there are a few essential safety tips you need to consider. Firstly, if you are using petrol-powered motors, be aware of petrol fumes and take care of flammable liquids. We do not provide petrol at HSS, but we have petrol cans available for purchase and fuel can be purchased at your local petrol station. It might be a good idea to wear protective clothing. Next, be aware that the engine and exhaust can get very hot and shouldn't be touched until it has completely cooled down. Finally, because of the exhaust gases produced by a petrol engine, you must not use them indoors. For best practice, you should be wearing full PPE, including gloves, ear defenders, goggles and safety boots, and you should only operate the machine if you have been trained and are competent in doing so. To find out more and view our full range of compacting equipment, visit hss.com today.